Sikar liquor case. Now, ex-Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel's son Chaitanya has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate for his role in the 2100 crore liquor scam in the state. According to the Enforcement Directorate, Chaitanya Baghel allegedly got 2100 crore as proceeds of crime for his role in planning the alleged liquor scam that was done between 2019 and 2022. This is news that's coming in. Chaitanya Baghel has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. Let's listen into what Bhupesh Baghel had to say.
विपक्ष को दबाने के लिए ये रणनीति अपनाई गई है। कवासी लखमा भी टारगेट किया, देवेंद्र यादव को टारगेट किया, अभी मेरे बेटे को टारगेट कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ये है दबाने की कोशिश कि कोई आवाज़ अडानी खिलाफ ना बोल सके। हम लोग डरने वाले नहीं हैं, न डरेंगे, न झुकेंगे, न टूटेंगे। पिछले समय मेरा जन्मदिन था तो मेरे सलाहकार और मेरे ओएसडी गिरफ्तार किया गया। आज मेरे बेटे का जन्मदिन है, उस दिन को किया गया।
And Sumi Rajappan joins me on this story. Sumi, Bhupesh Baghel saying this was deliberately done on the last day of the assembly. He's calling it a political vendetta. What do we know about the ED's allegation? What is happening in court?
Yes, absolutely. Chaitanya has just a short while back has been produced by the ED, and in fact right now ED will try to seek the custody for 14 days so that interrogation in this entire alleged liquor scam can begin, and ED will get to know if Chaitanya Baghel has been involved in this liquor scam at all or not. Remember, this liquor scam, a parallel investigation in this by the state ACB and EOW is ongoing, in which a 1500-page supplementary fourth charge sheet was in fact filed just recently on the 30th June, in which involvement of 29 officials were clearly mentioned, and they have been named in it, including the former excise minister and the tallest tribal leader Kawasi Lakma, who's already been arrested by the ED. Chaitanya has been constantly on the radar of the ED, and in fact, just a few months back, the Bhilai residence of Bhupesh Baghel, where Chaitanya also shares space, had the ED raids that we are talking about. So this liquor scam is certainly going to be very, very lethal for the Congress party just now.
All right, thank you for that, Sumi. Of course, we'll keep a very close eye on what is happening with this liquor scam case. Bhupesh Baghel, as you see, is blaming it on political vendetta.